Dear ladies and gentlemen, my video guide today will help you to remove vnse52.xyz browser redirection issues. I will demonstrate how this problem occurs. So let's suppose that Google search is your default search engine, and it looks like there is no problem with that at all. Your homepage may remain unchangeable, just as you're used to, but when you submit some specific search query, I don't know, Christmas gifts or something else like that, or anything else, you may notice that your search queries are redirected through vnse52.xyz. Well, it doesn't always actually happen, but there are cases when this problem does occur, vnse.52xyz. This means that your browser is actually hijacked. Currently, there are many pop-up windows that promote a special browser extension that causes such redirection issues. You have to be very careful not to trust and not to interact with these pop-ups, no matter how intrusive and tricky they are. And the Searchgg Custom Search related to vnse.52xyz is actually a fake search engine. I will demonstrate what needs to be done to fix this issue. Go to your browser menu, click on More Tools, and now choose Extensions. You will find some of these extensions, like app or something similar. You may deactivate them or remove them completely. Now, after you deactivate or remove them, your search will be fixed and you will be no longer redirected through such dangerous websites. Now, I also recommend you to scan your Windows computer with the software called Gradient Anti-Malware. You may download it through the website system-tips.net/download-removal-tool. It's a program called Gradient Anti-Malware that will fix your browser in an automatic manner. If you have problems with Combo Cleaner, if you have problems with Mac computers, I recommend you to scan your Mac with the program called Combo Cleaner, system-tips.net/download-combo cleaner. That's the link for downloading Combo Cleaner antivirus for Mac computers. So these two programs will help you to fix your browsers depending on your operating system, either it is Windows or Mac, and you'll find the links in the description to the video. Please feel free to share this information. Once again, I showed you the manual step, first of all, the manual solution to fix your browser, and some automatic solutions to get your browsers fixed. Thanks for watching, so please subscribe to my channel.